Hello, my name is Sahil, and today I'll be demonstrating the cloud-based weather alert system. So this system allows users to receive real-time weather updates for their cities and sends automatic alerts when severe weather conditions are detected. In this demo, I'll show you how the system works, including the subscription and the weather checking. So let's start by looking at the graphical user interface. So you can see there are two buttons. So you can either check the current weather or subscribe to the weather alerts. So first I'll demonstrate the live weather functionality. So if I input Ottawa and click on the check weather button only, you can see the live weather in Ottawa right now. So it is 9.25 degrees Celsius and the conditions are overcast clouds. So next I'll demonstrate how you can subscribe for the weather alerts. So if you input your email, input the city you want to receive email alerts for, and click the subscribe button, you'll see a confirmation text on the screen. So it is saying like you have successfully subscribed for the weather alerts for Calgary, and the confirmation mail is sent to the email address entered. So if you can check your inbox, you would have received the email for subscription. But if you did not receive the email, please make sure to check your spam folder. So now I'll show you how the email looks like. So here's the email I received. You click the confirm subscription. It will show you have successfully subscribed for the alert system. So now, so let me show you of an example of an alert email that I received earlier. So for example, the system sent me this alert when Toronto condition was light snow and the temperature was 1.82. So if you look at this code, you can see that the severe keywords that we have in our system. So you can see snow is one of them. So this keyword is the one which triggered the Lambda function and triggered the Lambda function to send an email, alert email to the user. So now I'll show you how the alert system works. So if there is snow, extreme cold, or heat, the Lambda function sends an alert through SNS to notify the subscribed users. So this email is sent automatically to the users based on their preference and the weather condition. So I'll show you. We are storing the user information in DynamoDB. You can see here here is our table. And if I explore items, you can see the email that I entered earlier and the city. So and next I'll show you the Lambda functions which we are using for our system. So there are two Lambda functions. First is real-time weather function, and the second is weather alert function. So the real-time Lambda function is for checking the live weather. And so you can see here is the source code for that. And the second weather alert function is where the magic happens. So this is our source code. This is what is behind the alert system, the core alert system we are making. So it saves the user email and preferred city in our DynamoDB, and the alert emails are triggered using SNS. And I'd like to talk about one more thing that we integrated that was very crucial for the project. So, so we made sure that the system checks weather conditions automatically at regular intervals. To do this, we integrated AWS Event Bridge as part of our backend. So EventBridge is basically a fully managed service that allows us to trigger AWS service on a schedule. So in the system, we configured EventBridge to automatically invoke our weather check Lambda function at every hour. So how it works? So the Lambda function checks the weather, and if it detects the severe condition, it sends alert to the users through SNS. The automatic check helps us to send timely alerts to user about extreme weather without having them manually check the weather. You can see the next 10 trigger dates. So you can see it triggers like after every 1 hour. So the event scheduler ensures the system checks the weather conditions regularly and triggering alerts only when needed. This is a very important part of our project. So that's why I wanted to show you that. So, in conclusion, the cloud based weather alert system allows users to get real time weather data and automatic alerts for severe weather conditions. This system runs on AWS Lambda, uses SNS to send emails, and DynamoDB to store user subscriptions. The next step we could include is integrating SMS for push notifications for alerts and enhancing user interface for broader accessibility. So thank you for watching the demo. If you'd like to explore our source code, you can find it on the GitHub. The link would be in the project report. The project report we will submit. So thank you guys. Thank you for watching.